EPC in remote communities with solar solutions. Embracing renewable energy, enriching lives, enabling progress. With every ray of sunlight captured, we bring power, opportunity, and resilience to where it's needed most. Lighting homes, energizing schools, and empowering communities for a brighter, sustainable future. Green's EPC capabilities. Engineering, comprehensive feasibility studies and yield analysis. Thoughtful grid integration planning. With a focus on quality, every step is carefully supervised. Procurement. We source certified high-quality components, prioritizing sustainable suppliers, and ensuring cost-effective solutions without compromise. At Green, every decision is made with precision, care, and a commitment to long-term impact. Construction. Meticulous installation with precision and care. Seamless microgrid and hybrid system integration, ensuring safety and uncompromising quality throughout. Operation and maintenance. Round-the-clock monitoring for reliable performance. Proactive preventive care and timely corrective maintenance. With detailed performance reporting keeping systems strong and communities powered. At Green, we build with purpose and maintain with dedication, supporting every community we serve. How renewable solutions support remote communities. Microgrid solar solutions designed for resilience and impact. Powering remote communities with reliable, uninterrupted energy, strengthening healthcare, education, and essential services. Empowering livelihoods through sustainable energy solutions, uplifting lives, and fostering long-term socioeconomic growth. Because every community deserves the power to thrive sustainably. Why choose Green's microgrid solution for remote communities? Reliable decentralized power supply delivering uninterrupted energy for houses, healthcare, education, and local businesses. Flexible and scalable architecture designed to grow with evolving community needs. Smart monitoring and control enabling real-time performance tracking and predictive maintenance. Driving economic and social empowerment, supporting local businesses, creating jobs, and fostering sustainable growth. And ensuring environmental sustainability by reducing diesel reliance and lowering carbon emissions. Green's microgrid solutions empowering communities sustainably. A few success stories. Rooftop solar installations powering office spaces with clean, reliable energy. In rural communities, solar power systems and streetlights bring light, safety, and new opportunities after dark. Small steps creating lasting impact, lighting the way towards a sustainable future. At Green, we are dedicated to driving progress and creating a lasting impact through innovative and sustainable energy solutions.